Hi! In front of me is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Fingerprint, Face and Password after scrolling down. Now select Screen Lock at the top and tap on the best login method for you. 4-digit password, 6-digit password, 4 to 16-digit passcode, pattern or mixed password. I will go with pattern. Now create it. Wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. So now when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!